Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and carrier support Volte. This is essential because Volte uses the LTE data channel for voice. Once confirmed, open mobile network settings and enable Volte or enhanced 4G calling. Make sure the SIM is active and provisioned. Restart the device to force network registration on LTE. After reboot, check that you have LTE signal bars and the Volte or HD voice icon present. Only then you place the call exactly like any voice call. The phone routes it over LTE automatically when Volte is active. During the call, watch for the Volte or HD icon. That confirms the call is on the LTE bearer and should deliver clearer audio and faster call setup. Make a short test call to a known contact to evaluate quality. If the call switches to 3G or degrades, move to stronger LTE coverage and retry. Make sure background data-heavy apps aren't saturating your connection. You finish by confirming consistent call quality over multiple calls and locations, then keep software and carrier settings updated to avoid regressions. If Volte still fails, reset network settings to clear old configurations, reboot, and re-enable Volte. This often restores correct provisioning. As a targeted troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, switch the APN and carrier profile updates, document a test call time, and contact your carrier with the device, IMEI, and those logs so they can verify provisioning and network side Volte activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.